Today, we're going to be making a simple cased caddis that I like to use as a guide pattern. We'll start off by securing our thread to our hook shank and snipping your excess free. Next, we'll secure some lead-free wire to our hook shank, leaving a bit of room at the head of our fly, taking securing wraps both in front as well as behind the wire before bringing your thread backwards, grabbing your wire and wrapping it backwards in close touching spirals, doing so until we just about reach the bend of the hook. Here, we'll secure it tightly in place, once again taking thread wraps both in front as well as behind it before helicoptering your excess free. Use your thread to run it back through the wire, helping make sure it stays locked in place, as well as creating thread jams both in front as well as behind it. We'll then grab some dubbing. Here I'm using a Euro blend in the color brown. Create a tight dubbing noodle and begin wrapping this forward in close touching spirals, building up a slight transition as we work towards the head of the fly. You can continue to add and tighten the dubbing as needed. Once we reach the head of the fly, we'll take a few additional thread wraps. Next, we'll grab some pheasant tail, and this is a natural one sent to me by one of you guys. We'll strip about 6 fibers free and securing them with the rip section facing outwards past our bead. This will mimic the protruding legs of a cased caddis. Secure it tightly in place and snip your excess free. At which point, we'll grab some more dubbing. Here I'm using a Caddis green color. Create a looser dubbing noodle and begin wrapping it forward until we reach our bead. Pull everything backwards, whip finish to hold it all in place, and snip your excess free. And of course brush it out to give it that nice buggy look. And this is an extremely simple cased caddis that only takes minutes to tie, but is highly effective at mimicking its profile, and one of my go-to choices when I need to fill a box for guide season. And while you can go more complex, it gets the job done. So thank you for watching, subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.